I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We
season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey,
a drizzle, a pop, a drizzle, a pop, a drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. What's up, JCZ fam? I am back with another video. I am making today is some delicious, oh yes, my favorite and famous delicious salmon tuna macaroni salad. Look at that, guys. Look at that in this dish. Guys, you are going to want to take this with you to your outs and have on your picnics, anywhere, any occasion. And this is for not just summer. This is all year long. Who doesn't like macaroni salad? I know, I love it. Anyway, guys, let's get into this video. We are going to go head on over here and get started on this lovely dish. And I will be back with the ingredients that we will be using for this delicious salad. All right, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. So we are at the counter with our ingredients that we will be using for this delicious tuna and salmon macaroni salad. Okay, guys, so let's get into it. So we have some black peppercorn, we have the Alaskan pink salmon over there with a can of light tuna. I usually use regular tuna. Today we're going to do the light tuna, okay? And I usually get the one with oil in it. And I have some onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, Tabasco sauce. We have some Hellmann's, gotta have Hellmann's, okay? And some macaroni noodles. Miracle Whip, I love it because of the zestiness of it, the little tang. I love it. And I only use a little bit, not too much. And we have our dill relish, our yellow mustard. We have some green and red peppers chopped up. If I was making this for somebody else, but this for me, it would be really fine because I know a lot of people do not like the peppers and the onions and stuff in their macaroni salad. Actually, a good friend of mine's, Ace, he doesn't like it, but he ate it before and didn't even know I had them in there. I have some fresh parsley. We have some red chopped onions. And we have a lemon. Eggs is just going to be for decoration, guys. Our pot of water is getting ready for our macaroni noodles. That's seasoned with some olive oil and some kosher salt. I'll be right back to get started. Hey guys, so we are back and I have Jazzie in the kitchen helping me out a little bit, trying to stay a little bit off my feet. So what she is doing is separating the bones out of the big bones, at least. And also, guys, what I wanted to say is that I didn't have any celery, and usually I add celery into this delicious dish, but I didn't have any. And I usually use sweet relish with this. So I am using the dill relish because I don't want to throw it out. So I brought this last time when I was making potato salad, and yeah, so she is just picking out the big chunks of the bones, but they, like I said, they're harmless, really. You can leave it in, but I don't want that in my tuna salad, and I don't serve that to anyone either. So if I don't want it, I don't do that for anyone else when I'm cooking. So all right, we'll be right back to get it mixed up. Y'all ready to get this mixed up? I am. So, I also forgot you'll be needing some kosher salt, okay? So, let's not forget that. And y'all already know my seasoning, I go with the flow, but We're going to do this, okay? And look, y'all, I'm finally putting my Pampered Chef bowls to use, okay? So let's get our salmon and tuna in here. And we want to break this up. Let me grab a fork. And I'm only trying to make a little bit. I'm heavy-handed. I don't know. Jazzie just finished saying, you don't know how to make a little bit. Jazzie don't like, I told y'all, she don't like dressings and sauces really that much. So this is just for me, y'all. Yeah, so you're just going to break it up a little. I don't want big chunks of meat in my macaroni salad. You probably need about a cup and 1/4 of the mayo, okay? I'll be trying to speed up. So, we got the mayo. Trying to speed up for you guys, you know. And you can always adjust, you know, the content of your dish. Okay? Listen, I'm into the tang. I know a lot of people put sugar. I don't like adding sugar to my dishes, okay? I'm a savory girl. Okay? I am totally a savory girl. And so I don't fool around with it. I don't. I just don't like sugar in my dishes too much. Every now and then, but not really like that, okay? And I chose smoke because I want to add a little smokiness to that salmon and tuna. Alright? And like I said, I just add the Miracle Whip for a little tang. That's it. I like to get my dressing done first. And then I go around, you know, and start adding in my pasta. Okay? Yeah, I'm not too big on adding. So, you know, put as much as you like to your taste of your veggies. So this was like half of, probably, I don't know how much of the veggies. I boil it. I'm sorry, guys. You know I suck at that. And the dill, that is all I'm going to use of the dill. I love sweet relish. OMG. I love sweet relish. But I ain't going to play with it. Couple of squirts of the Tabasco sauce. I know some people put ketchup in their salads, macaroni salads and stuff. And leave some of your parsley for decoration. Okay? Come in with a little kosher salt. Alright? And once you give this a nice little mix, you taste it. I used to mix up my eggs, y'all, and put in here. I haven't done that in years, though. But I do put the egg mixture in my macaroni. In my potato salad. Yes, I do. Alright. And so once you mix this up, you're going to give it a nice taste. And I'm seeing right now that I need more mayo. Okay. So you want to balance it out. I don't like a runny salad dressing. Okay. If you can know, I'm not into too much of the wet, mushy foods. I cook my meat well done. But I like some solitude to my food. Let's say that. You want to cook your macaroni noodles al dente. Let's go in for a taste. You want to taste some, y'all? Ooh. Yes. Baby. This. I don't have to do nothing else with this. Nothing else. Now let's go get our pasta. Alright, we got our noodles. They are al dente. And I'm going to start adding them. I should have let them cool down a little bit more, guys. But it's alright. It's going to break down all them flavors up in there. I got some noodles left. But we going to... And before I start mixing all this together, we're going to come in probably with like a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Okay. I'm going to take that same lemon and come in with the zest of a lemon. Okay. Watch your fingers. Don't want no finger meat. Up in here. Oops. It's clean. It's alright. We good. Make sure you don't zest any of the white meat. Go with the white meat. Jokey joke. You got it? No. It's alright. That's enough zest for me. You taste it once you're done. If you want more, do your thing. Do your thing. Don't that look delicious, y'all? You don't want to stir it too much. After a couple of stirs, you know, just start kind of roundabout. Just, how you call it? Scoop, turn, scoop, turn. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I appreciate you. I hope you enjoy this delicious tuna and salmon macaroni salad. And I hope to see this on your table this summer. And guys, let this sit overnight and serve. Put it in the fridge and serve the next day. Oh, baby. Who used to lick the spoon? I told you I used to lick the spoon. Woo! That lemon juice and zest. Baby. Guys, take a bite. Take a bite. You got it? What I would do is probably add a pinch more salt. And that's it, baby. That is it. Look at that. Oh, yes. Now let's put this in a bowl and dress it up and put it in the fridge. I'll be right back. Isn't that pretty? Yes. This is a delicious. You got your delicious salmon and tuna macaroni salad ready for the summer, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching my last video, and I truly appreciate you guys for coming back. As always, I love you guys, and I hope you make this in your home. Let me know. Comment down below and tell me how you make your tuna salad, macaroni salad, and what would you like to see me make next here at Jill's Comfort Zone. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and turn it gray and click the notification bell so you could be reminded of when I come to you with another delicious video. Alright, and don't forget, share me out to your family and friends. All I want to do is love on you as you love on me. And with that being said, guys, you stay blessed. I love you, and Peace out. Until next time. Later.